So having backtested so far on GBPUSD for a number of days now, I've come to realize some few things, and I feel like sharing them right here on this channel and also keeping them over here as a form of documentation for myself, right? So this is one particular thing I've come to realize. Okay, the strategy that I've been testing works, right? It works perfectly, but it doesn't work in all cases. So I've come to establish the fact that no strategy is 100% accurate, even though it has been there. Like, I've heard it from a lot of people, like time without number. But I feel like now that I've tested it out for myself, I can boldly say that no strategy is 100% accurate. Okay, so what then is more important is for us to manage our risk as we are taking trades. Okay, our risk management has to be on point for us to be able to actually have a higher win over, the losses that we're going to have along the journey, because the losses are inevitable. We cannot avoid them, right? They will definitely come, but depending on how we manage our risk, that's what is going to help us in the long run. Okay, so this particular thing that I've realized, it's dawned on me. Okay, it dawned on me that no matter what strategy that I'm trading, my focus should actually be on the money management, the risk management aspect of things, because you could see, I'll see a nice setup, right? Okay, based on the back testing. This is not the live market stuff I'm talking about. It's from the data I've back tested. Okay, so you could see that there's a clear setup over here, but you should have tried to violate that particular setup before even going into the ideal direction. Then you begin to ask yourself, why is price doing this? Why is price doing that? Honestly, these are the questions that I've been asking myself. I've been trying to find out the reason behind certain things in a market. Okay, because if I'm able to find out the reason behind certain, behavior of price in the market, that means I'm going to understand a lot of things that are going to help me in the long run in this trading journey, right? So I've been asking myself, why this, what happened, what causes this, and stuff like that. So yeah, even though I ask myself those questions, I still have to conclude on the fact that no strategy is going to give you win upon win upon win, like every day you just be winning like that. No. So what is most important is for us to manage our risk, because if, for instance, okay, if you're having a good risk or money management, we can be running at losses like three consecutive losses, right? 3 consecutive losses. We can have 3 consecutive losses, but if we have one win, that one win can cater for those 3 losses that we've had already. So this is something, yes, I think we all should be aware of this. We all should know of this. Okay, I know that it has been said out there time without number, but if you are someone that you do not believe in it at this point, then I would advise you also go and find out for yourself. And I'm pretty much sure that if you find out for yourself, nobody's going to tell you that, oh yeah, this is the deal, right? This is the right thing. Okay, so yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. And yes, of course, I'm still on my journey, and we will see how this challenge is going to take me. And of course, I've learned a lot of things along this challenge. Okay, this challenge, it has opened the door for me to learn some new things added to my trading stuff. And for those of you who know me already, you know that I trade synthetic indices, and of course, yes, I'm still trading synthetic indices. Even though I'm doing this challenge in a currency market, I'm still doing my synthetic indices, trading. Just that I don't upload videos on that, because I just feel like, let me just be uploading the challenge video, and later on I'll come and upload the trades I've been taking in the synthetic market. Maybe that will be for another time. Yeah, I think that would be the best option. I don't want to miss the content on the channel, right? Okay, so this is just a quick info over here, and I believe you've also gotten some info from it. And if there's one particular thing I want you to take out of this video, is the fact that no strategy is 100% accurate. So before you enter that trade, before you place that buy or sell, please do ask yourself, all right, what I am risking, is it something that I can afford to lose? Is it something that even if I run at a loss like 3 times and I win 1 time, would I be able to recover from all this? Okay. And one last thing before I go, all right, one last thing before I go, pardon me, let me just say this, all right, you see, there's this saying that a lot of people have been saying. I don't know if a lot of people, but yeah, I've heard a couple of people saying it actually. You see, you cannot go to the riverside, fetch water, then all of a sudden you come back without any water. In rare cases, if you use a pot and you send it to the riverside to fetch water and the pots got broken, yes, in that situation you will not have water. But more often than not, you probably get water and bring it back to the house. So what I'm trying to say right here is that if you enter a trade and as soon as you see yourself in a profit, make sure you log profit, or better still, put your stop loss at break even. That's what I can tell you right now, okay? Because the things that I've backtested, I've seen that sometimes price will move into profit, then all of a sudden it will just come and take you out of the market in a negative. So yeah, it's better to secure the small profit than to run at a loss in a long run. Yes, I also know that sometimes you close the trade or you close the trade at break even, then you see price flying way back into your direction. And yes, everything is going to happen in this market. Don't worry, I'll see you more in the next video. Then we'll talk more about other things that we can do to help ourselves in this industry, right? This is Godsway here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.